everyone, welcome to my channel Just Bliss Thorough Happiness. And we are into October month, and as you all know, it is Dyslexia Awareness Month, and this is my episode 3 towards the awareness of dyslexia. So, let's learn about different types of learning disabilities. The most commonest is dyslexia. Dyslexia is mainly with reading, learning spelling, comprehension, understanding what you're writing. You should have the basic knowledge of how the sentence has to be framed, or the person or child basically has to read and understand what does the sentence mean. So difficulties in any of this area is known as dyslexia. The next one is dyscalculia. Dyscalculia is basically difficulty in doing mathematical operations. The basic four operations, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Apart from that, doing the story sums, understanding the basic steps, learning multiplication tables, getting confused with ascending descending order, plus minus multiplication and division signs, following certain steps while performing and activity of solving the sum. All these things, the difficulties over those area is known as dyscalculia. Next is dysgraphia. Basically difficulty in writing, because whatever a child learn, he's supposed to put it in words in the book, that is the test paper, or that comes later, but initial also the child needs to copy the notes from the board or from the book which is kept close by. So difficulty in copying, the basic or the most common type of errors you can see is the child will get confused. There will be the boy is sleeping, and the second line there will be uh, the cricket is national game of country. So he will start with the boy national country and all. Not able to follow the line, copy it correctly. For them it would just be a symbol copying from one place to another. So there will be confusions, there will be lots of mistakes. Next, it is dyspraxia. Dyspraxia is basically with the motor disability, like basically fine motor, gross motor, difficulty in holding objects, difficulty in writing. So this is mainly with the ora motor of the body, muscles and all, and it finds very difficult for a child to hold a pencil or a crayon for a longer time and keep writing or drawing. So they have difficulties in this area. So indirectly it affects their studies, copying, everything. Next is processing deficit. Mainly it is visual processing deficit, auditory processing deficit. Visual is whatever it is visualize whatever is in front of your eyes, the child is not able to take in as in. Like you show him the book or pictures, the child is not able to understand. The same thing happens when it is a script, writing script, a book. The child is not able to understand. He gets confused, so many words, so many letters. So the processing is not happening. The child is not able to take in the inputs. Auditory processing is through verbal, any instructions or any kind of lessons or concepts taught orally, the child is not able to take in. So the processing doesn't happen and the learning doesn't happen. So these are the most common. There are so many different small, but these are the most basic type of learning disabilities which are seen in a child who has learning disability. This would help you to just find it out. Observe your child, and you don't have to judge and come into any conclusion. You just have to see which area the child is finding it the most difficult, and you can have more clarity about it. Definitely, if you still have any kind of dilemmas, don't forget to ask the questions, or you can even consult somebody known to you, near to you. I hope my this video regarding the awareness of dyslexia is helping you as a parent and a teacher to find out any kind of issues your child is facing. Stay tuned for my other videos. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe button, and definitely the notifications to get in my more videos. Until next video, take care, stay safe. Bye.